Hey, grab that box.
Y'all guys were recording me in case I fell.
That was funny though.
Hey, maybe y'all should check it. Check the bottom in case someone dumped something again. What?
You ready?
Yeah, but let me go.
Sure you got it on camcorder and stuff?
It's recording already.
Alright. It looks scary from up here. Every time I get up here, I trip out. When you're looking at it from the side, I don't even look.
There's something in that bush.
I'm scared looking at you.
Did you bring the drill?
There's something in that bush.
What bush?
Right there.
Oh, just a rat.
Alright.
Oh, rattler.
Alright.
Ready? Oh, shoot.
Is your nose bleeding?
Huh?
Just kidding.
I actually hit the bottom. That's lower than it was last time.
Good. Not by much.